My name is Saif and I'm a Home Installations Manager for Nets International UK, and my role is to ensure that customers and clients are kept happy all the time by ensuring the smooth delivery of projects. I started in Nets about 2 years ago, and I started off as a trainee. So Nets supported me, and they supported me in working my way up as a fully qualified engineer. And they look at the skills in yourself, and they saw that this person can go up and up the ladder and made me achieve my goals by giving me the installation manager role. My best part is the team is very friendly and they're always willing to help. So any questions you have, and they are willing to provide all the support that's required for a person to improve himself and the abilities that he has. We have been given aggressive targets of the whole of UK to come onto fibre network. So there is a lot of opportunity, a lot of jobs are coming out to increase the fibre in the fibre field. So there's a lot of opportunity for everyone to come.